One of the most important trends currently in technology is artificial intelligence and particularly deep learning neural networks. These technologies impacted many industries, and we within Fortech and our data science group are looking for applications of these technologies in the world of manufacturing and industrial applications. Deep learning neural networks currently can achieve in many applications accuracies which are similar or sometimes possibly even better than humans. And they provide also faster recognition rates and larger consistency across the work time. So we are trying to help companies to take these very new technologies and apply them in their processes and in their systems.
In our exhibit, we also present the Sandrail solution, which is controlling of the process where we want to dry the sand into very low humidity. The model of the Sandrail consists of two different parts. One is the tube, which is transporting the wet sand to the output, and the other one is the gas burner. The gas burner is the part of the basic control loop which was already in place, but we introduced the second level control loop, which is based on the modeling of the sand dryer tube and of the material flow through the sand drying process. We also were able to avoid the necessity to use very expensive humidity sensors which are used for the measurements of sand humidity, and that was possible thanks to the mathematical modeling and real-time estimation of process values based just on the measurement of the output air temperature. This allowed us to have significant savings not only on the process itself, where we achieved about 30% of savings compared to the original solution, but we also have very cheap instrumentation compared to several tens of thousands for the industrial sensors.
What we are offering as a part of our services is a group of the products which we call smart logistic solutions. As a part of these products, we are offering systems for the real-time location tracking. These systems are based on various technologies, GPS, UVB, Bluetooth Low Energy, and are used for precise and cheap localization of the objects, of the material, or even of the personnel within the manufacturing halls. These data are used in a complete platform which is based on the warehouse management system and is used for the precise guiding of the operator, of the forklift driver to the distant location, and creation of the exact timetable for this operator. Main benefits is the precise knowledge about location of the material, savings in terms of the manpower, in terms of the equipment, and in terms of the material.
Our company, Foxconn Fortech, presents a solution for power monitoring and management for factories and industrial buildings. The goal is to deliver 100% transparency on energy use at the level of the whole factory, production line, machine, or even at the level of individual product. The solution is based on industrial IoT. We use our own designed IoT boxes, IoT nodes, that are used to collect the data from third-party power meters, and this data is transferred every 30 seconds to cloud. In cloud, we have an advanced analytics that is used to discover inconsistencies, wrong settings, failures. And also we use predictive analytics to predict the consumption of electricity for the near future in order to optimize and smooth the curve of the consumption to avoid penalties for energy overuse.
On this year, on Ampere Fair, we are showing the concept of flexible automation, where we have a robotic cell which is completely controlled by our MES system and integrated with our WMS system.